In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download from Adobe Firefly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Adobe Firefly, then press Enter. In the results, look for the official Adobe Firefly link from the adobe.com domain and click it to open the Firefly homepage. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your creations. Once you're on the Firefly site, find the area labeled Your Stuff. This is your personal library where Firefly keeps everything you've generated. Click it to open your collection. Inside, switch to the section called Generation History. This view is especially helpful because it shows a chronological record of the images you've created, along with thumbnails that make it easy to spot the one you want. Browse through your history and select the image you want to download. You can click the thumbnail to focus on it and confirm it's the right version. If you don't immediately see it, try scrolling or using any available filters or search tools in that area to narrow things down. With your image selected, look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. It typically appears on the image card or in the corner of the preview. Click those three dots to reveal the available actions. From the menu, choose Download. Your browser will begin saving the file to your default downloads location. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked to pick a folder or confirm the file name before it saves. If you want to keep your work organized, you can rename the file right there or move it to a project folder after the download finishes. After the download completes, open your Downloads folder to verify the file is there and opens correctly. If the image looks compressed or lower resolution than you expected, check whether a higher resolution version is available within Firefly's interface for that item. If the download button doesn't appear, try hovering over the thumbnail, resizing your browser window, or opening the image preview to reveal the menu. A quick tip on usage: Adobe Firefly often includes content credentials or metadata indicating how the image was created. Keep any licensing or usage guidelines in mind, especially if you're planning to publish or use the image commercially. That's it. You've navigated to Adobe Firefly, opened your stuff, viewed your generation history, selected the image you want, used the three-dot menu, and downloaded it to your device. Repeat the same steps for any other images you'd like to save.